Want to level up your communication skills? I've got 5 tips to help you out. Hello, and welcome to Taur's Tutorials. My name is Taur, and I'm here to teach you how to open phone. Today's topic, how to be an effective communicator. Let's get into it. Number 1, identify your objectives. When you have clearly defined goals, it's easier to shape your communication style. Ask yourself, what do I hope to accomplish, either immediately or long term? What call to action or response will show you that you've communicated your message successfully? Number 2, active listening. When others are speaking, listen and process what they're trying to communicate. Don't just listen to respond. Remember, communication isn't just about what you say, it's a two-way street. Number 3, body language. A certain Seawitch once said, don't underestimate the importance of body language. Communication not only involves the words you speak, but what your body is saying. You may not realize it, but your body language can be louder than your words, honey. Number 4, know your audience. The same speech, conversation, or sales pitch won't work with every audience. Switch up your language for each group so you're speaking in a way that your audience can understand. Number 5, pace yourself and be clear. I'm a fast talker, so I know I need to pay extra attention to how quickly I'm speaking and whether my audience can process what I'm saying. Slow down if necessary. Vary the volume and rhythm of your speech to hold their attention, and deliberately repeat important points a few times to make sure your listeners hear what you have to say. And that's it! Drop a talking emoji in the comments if you'd like more tips like these. Until next time, bye!